Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. And if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. So today we are going to be looking at the problem on calculus, and it's a simple one. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the problem. Now, when you have to integrate, a polynomial expression like this, you want to integrate this, okay, with respect to the x, plus you want to integrate this. I can write 4 as 4 times x raised to the power of 0, okay, with respect to the x. Okay, now you also have to remember that the equation gives us our upper what? Limit, and what our lower what? Limit. So by the time we work on the integration of these two terms, then we can now apply what's the upper and the lower limit and take their difference. Alright, so for this, remember in calculus, when you are differentiating, you subtract 1 from the power. When you are integrating, you are going to what? Add 1 to the power, like this. And whatever you do there, you are going to bring it down here. Okay? So we have plus. Now remember, this is 4 times what? 1, which is still 4, like we have it. Because this, from your principle of what? Indices always mean 1. So if we are to integrate this, we are going to add 1 to the 0. Okay? So we have 4 x raised to the power of 0 plus 1. Okay, divide by what? We bring all this down. So it's as simple as that. Now the next thing is we want to apply our limit. Upper limit is 2 and the lower limit is 0. Okay, now having gotten that, we can now simplify further and apply our limits. So let's see what this gives us. This gives us 3x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3x raised to the power of 4 divided by what? 3 plus 1 is also 4. Okay, so we have plus. Now this is 4x raised to the power of what? 0 plus 1 is what? 1. Divided by what? 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, now we are going to impute our what? Limits, which is 2 and what? 0. Now at this point, we can simply go straight to what? Applying the upper and lower limits to get our answer. So first we want to put the upper limit, okay, minus what? Now put the what? The lower limit. So once we do that, we get our simple solution to this problem. So let's impute in place of x as what? 2. I'm going to have 3 over 4, okay? So x will be 2, so 2 raised to the power of 4, so I have 2 raised to the power of 4, plus, okay, I have 4 times what? X, which is what? 2 raised to the power of 1, okay? So divide by 1 is still this. So minus, now this is for the upper limit, which we have input as 2. Now the lower limit, we are still going to put 0 for the value of what? X. So let's put that, so we have 3 over 4. We have 0 raised to the power of 4 plus what? We have 4 multiplied by 0 raised to the power of 1, which will still have it as what? 0. Alright, so now let's simplify further. So my upper limit, let's see what value this will give us if we simplify further. So I have 3 over 4. Now 2 raised to the power of 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So I have this as times 16 of 1. So we have this here plus what? Plus we have 4 times what? 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. Minus, okay? Now for this part, okay, 0 raised to the power of 4 is 0. 0 times 0 plus 0 raised to the power of 1 is 0 times 4 is still 0. Okay? Alright, now that we have gotten this, after simplifying carefully, okay, now let's see what this part gives us. Now, the rule of BODMAS, we want to solve this multiplication first. So 4 can cancel here. It's going to give us what? 4. So this will give us, this is 3 times what? 4. So 3 times 4. Okay. So I have a plus what? We have 8. Okay. Minus 0 plus 0 is 0. So we have minus 0. So let's see what this gives us further. So 3 times 4 is going to give us what? 12 plus what? I have 8. Okay. Minus 0. Okay. Minus 0. So 12 plus 8 is going to give me what? 20. So 20 minus 0 is still what? 20. So 20 is the final solution to this simple problem on what? Integration, being given the upper and the lower. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Hit the like button, do well to subscribe and share this video. Remember, sharing is what caring. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.